The spiritual leader of the Shia Imami Ismaili Muslims, His Highness the Aga Khan, today met Tanzanian President John Magufuli in State House Dar es Salaam on a two-day official visit.
His Highness the Aga Khan outlined the need for journalists to remain professional in their work so as to achieve goals meant to serve the interests of the people.
On his part, President Magufuli thanked the Ismaili leader for the work being done by his foundation in improving people's lives across the world.
Magufuli also noted that the upgrading of the Aga Khan Hospital in Dar es Salaam was ongoing, as is the construction of the Aga Khan University in Tanzania.